worth 10 in the bush.
Might be a bird for you, but it's a handful of shit for us.
Yeah. Excuse me?
You almost missed all the fun.
Vulgarity is absolutely uncalled for.
We get the shaft while y'all stay rich.
Gentlemen, knock it off.
Mr. Sam, they offered you $25,000 for your daddy's house, right?
Mm-hmm.
$25,000. Mr. Jimmy, how much did Southcrest offer you for that pasture where you keep your horses?
We're not going there.
Yeah, let's go there.
I'll figure out how much that.
Y'all keep y'all fancy houses, and we get put out on the street.
We don't all have the luxury of selling off our family sugarcane. For y'all, it's just land, but for the rest of us, these are our homes.
That's all we say.
Thank you, counselor. Didn't realize we were all being cross-examined. I tell you, I just hate to see neighbor turned against neighbor. Look, when Southcrest first approached me about selling what's left of our family's land, I was skeptical, but they convinced me. And they've asked me to help convince you all too. Change is hard. I won't deny that. Once that meant making way for the oil and gas. And now, if Pompneau is going to survive, we're going to have to adapt. Again.
With all due respect, Miss Mary, but what do you know about change?
Hey, let her talk now.
The Southcrest Rail Depot will bring with it good-paying jobs. The property taxes alone will be enough to revitalize our schools and parks, maybe even this old church. If any of you feel that the offers on your properties aren't enough, my door is always open. The very least we owe you all is a fresh start.
Maybe. We'll see.
We'll see you for dinner, won't we, Sheriff?
Wouldn't miss it.
Hey.
Hey.
That went well.
Miss Mary wasn't too shy about throwing money around, huh?
Yeah, she's worried. There was a lot more people on the fence than I thought.
Yeah, Jimmy's set in his ways, but I could talk to a few of the others.
Yeah? That would actually go a long way coming from you.
How about we grab a drink? I'll give you a few names to work on.
Sure.
Yeah?
Okay.
Come on, we gonna be late.
You don't mind me asking, how much Miss Mary offer you?
25,000. And could you not talk to me while you're pissing?
You gonna take it?
I don't know. There's a place in New Orleans I can maybe put a down payment on.
Living in the city instead of this backwater.
Yeah. But it's not just up to me.
Sissy going with you?
What you gonna do?
It'd be nice to get Mama into a home, take care of her right. Finally settle down myself.
Morning, Deputy.
License and registration. What are you looking at him for?
Sorry.
Wow. Sorry. It's a little early in the day, isn't it, JW?
It was a long night.
Mm-hmm. Who's this?
That's Ken.
Ken what?
I'll just show you I'm good.
Hey! Ain't nobody tell you to do all that. Now show me your papers.
All right. All right. Hey, she's got a personality on her, huh?
I think we should make him blow.
Hey. Hey. You know we're gonna catch all kind of shit for this.
Why? Because his mama and the sheriff tight?
It's because of his mama that the sheriff is the sheriff.
So he gets to drive around town all toe up and shit.
I don't like it either, okay?
Okay, but that's just the way it is.
It is. You good enough shape to drive?
Yeah.
Hopefully it's a quiet one. Yeah, last night I had a bunch of kids try to get in the bar with fake IDs. About earlier,
These extra shifts aren't wearing you out?
yeah, nurses ain't cheap. I had to sell my truck too.
Tell Billy to put you behind the bar.
But at least working the door and catch a little sleep. I'll see you tomorrow.
All right. Take care.
Thanks for the ride to work.
Price on that place in the Bywater went down again.
Huh?
Probably gonna sell soon.
Oh.
I was thinking maybe we could take a look.
Yeah, there's just too much going on right now. Wish I could.
Not even to take a look.
What's the rush?
I can finally afford the down payment.
If you sell the house.
Seems like a lot of people want to.
What do you want?
I want us to finally be together.
I do too. And you know what's gonna happen, everybody here, if I drop this case.
You think they would stick up for you if they knew about us? You're their lawyer, not their savior.
Doesn't mean they deserve to be put out on the street.
Just tired.
I just need some more time. They're gonna realize this place is more trouble than it's worth, and then we'll go.
property we really need is John Landry's.
That won't be a problem.
Busier than the damn Roosevelt Hotel in here today.
Something wrong, Deputy?
Do you mean what you said about getting us more money for our property?
Could we continue this later? Laura, would you please see him out?
He knows where the door's at.
Tea?
I'm good. That everybody is selling?
What can I do for you?
There's a house in New Orleans, but the down payment's more than you're offering.
Where in town?
The Bywater.
How much are we talking?
25,000.
Well, that's double the original valuation. Are there others who might be persuaded by a similar offer?
A lot of us just need a new start.
Has your sister gotten the help she needs?
We don't really talk.
I can't make any promises, but I certainly will speak to them and see what I can do.
Careful, Tiger. You're still working the door tonight.
I'm good.
Oh, I see she finally said yes.
It's just drinks, but
You sound like my first ex-husband.
So I was thinking we could start with the Roberts. My mom knew them pretty well. Do you think we could convince them not to sell?
can I ask you something first? How come you finally said yes?
To
To having a drink with me. I've been thinking that maybe you and I could see each other a little more.
oh. John, I appreciate your help on this so much, and I think you're a great guy, but I'm not.
I'm not in a hurry.
No, that's not what I meant. I'm not interested in.
Are you sure you just haven't met the right guy yet?
Yeah, I'm sure. Can we still work together? You know, I could really use your help on this. A few more families with property would tip this thing in the other direction.
Yeah. Yeah, of course.
Okay, good. The Roberts.
Yeah, the Roberts and the Pochets have been here for 4 generations, and they hate Jimmy Falco.
Why?
Because he's an asshole.
Right. Yeah, didn't notice.
John thinks he can convince the Roberts and the Pochets not to sell. This could be exactly what we need to stop Mary's deal with Southcrest. We should celebrate this weekend. Sam's playing at the Moon. You want to go?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, sure.
You okay?
Yeah. You expecting someone?
No. I'll get it.
Who is it?
JW.
I don't have anything to say to you.
I know what you've been doing, and you need to stop. Now.
You need to go.
You need to stay out of my shit, or I'm gonna fuck you up! Do you hear me?
What the hell was that? Work? It didn't sound like work.
It's fine. It's fine.
You okay? You all right?
Yeah.
Look, I got you, okay?
Yeah.
Of course. Baby. Why? Why the hell do you keep
Look,
these in
Mama
here?
gave it to me, and she said it was blessed by the Pope, and so I kept it.
Wow, his little hand is busted. He's not doing too good.
Oh, where? Let me see.
They offered me another $25,000.
What do you mean they offered you? Who? Mary? Did you go to see her? What is wrong with you?
I mean, she's got money and lawyers and
you think it's a lost cause, so you're just gonna cash out?
I mean, baby, I love you. But there's some fights you just can't win.
You didn't even give me the chance to try. Wow. No. Get out.
Wow, you look like shit.
I closed down the bar last night.
I see that. I don't want to leave. Hey, Miss Doris.
What are you doing here? Chuck knows that we're not supposed to have the help on the weekends. That's our time. Bernadette. Oh. John was out with that Leslie last night.
That right.
And I told him I want at least one grandbaby before they put me in the ground.
You're not going nowhere.
What are you waiting for? That kitchen's not going to clean itself.
Mama, I gotta go work for a little bit. Nurse Rhonda's gonna come by. She's gonna take care of you. Promise. Here, just... Mama, not so many of these.
Insurance won't cover all.
Hell, I can't even afford the damn nurse. Love you, Mama. I was just with her at Billy's last night. She, wanted help with Falgo and
You see anything out of the ordinary?
well, usual. Billy at the bar, Peltier brothers, and there was a few suits from out of town.
Did any of them talk to her?
No.
When was this?
Must have been around 8. I started working the door hour after she left.
Sheriff.
Give me a minute. Morning, Mrs. Waggerspan.
Is this their land?
What's happened?
A body was found.
JW's, I think. Most everything between the tracks and the river is owned by one of them.
He was at Leslie's house last night.
What?
Yeah, he cussed her out.
How do you know?
She called me.
Who could do something like this?
She say what it was about?
We don't know yet. But those two will have more information. Deputies Landry and LeBlanc were the first on the scene.
Bless your heart, Bernadette. I know y'all were friends.
Thank you.
Is there anything you can tell us?
No.
Y'all rent this land at some of the hunting clubs, don't ya?
Yeah, that's right.
Well, whoever did this didn't take her very far. Either he knew she was gonna be found or he was in too much of a hurry to care. I'll keep y'all posted in case there's any arrangements that need to be done before this goes public.
Thank you, Shane.
We're gonna need an official statement.
I'll handle that. Just some formalities, Mrs. Waggerspan.
Did you find something?
Check out what half of Waggersback is worth. JW's wife hired Leslie to handle their divorce.
1.5 million. Might call that a motive. What can you tell us, Doc?
Not much yet. Still waiting on toxicology, but based on the amount of damage done to her windpipe, the cause of death was definitely strangulation. I put the time of death sometime between 10 and midnight. They're unusual.
What are they?
Necklace, maybe. Knots on a rope. Whatever it is, it's your murder weapon.
Any sign of sexual trauma?
No semen, but she'd been sexually active in the last 48 hours.
Was she seeing someone that you know of?
I thought she was. What the hell's that got to do with anything?
Okay, why don't we just stick to what you know? What's that?
More bruising. She put up one hell of a fight.
Anything else?
I'll know more after the rape kit comes back.
Doing?
I heard what happened. I'm sorry.
Thanks.
B? B?
I got work tomorrow.
Could take the day off.
And tell them what?
Yeah. She was here.
Where's she coming down from? You need to go. I can't do this again. Just go.
Fine.
What the hell are we doing here?
Well, someone's got to talk to JW.
Okay, I know you're upset, but you can't just go in and brace the wax packs.
Unit 225, go ahead.
We got an African-American female, possible overdose at South and Robertson.
Copy that, dispatch. 225 is en route. Let's go.
You find her like this?
Okay, I got it.
Wake up. Come on, come on.
Get the Narcan.
I can stay if you need.
I'll be all right.
What do you want me to tell the sheriff?
Tell him his family.
I'll let you know if we find anything. Hey. Doing okay?
You know.
Just make sure you're ready.
So I got an axe, so you're gonna come out with it.
Shane gave Leslie's case to state CID.
What?
They got some guy that's strangling women in Baton Rouge, and they think it might be connected.
Might be. What about JW? Are you telling me no one's even talked to him?
What do you want me to do?
I want someone other than me to give a shit.
All right.
They ever find Leslie's phone?
No. The best guess is the suspect took it with him. Excuse me, Miss Waxback.
There's only one Mrs. Waggersback, and it ain't me.
Help y'all.
We just have a few questions for you.
Baby. Heard Sissy's back with you. We really miss her around here.
How well did y'all know Leslie?
About as well as you know anyone. Why?
You have any business with her outside of South Crest?
Nope.
How about you?
I said no.
We found divorce papers in her office.
Hell of a lot of money.
That's personal.
We're working on things.
Still no excuse for lying.
And what does this have to do with Leslie?
You were in her home on November 25th. You had choice words for her. You been drinking again?
Leave. Now. What did you say to them?
I didn't say anything.
Let's get in the house.
Made groceries.
I told you not to leave the house.
I'm feeling good. I was thinking of asking JW for my old job back.
I don't think they're looking for help.
Well, there are other jobs, too.
Yeah. I don't think there's gonna be much work out there for you.
What am I supposed to do?
Stay home and out of trouble?
You sound just like Daddy.
You know, I'm doing you a favor.
Some favor.
Yo, maybe next time we don't catch the call in time. I heard JW's mama died anyway. Is it like working for them?
Mostly work with Miss Ashley. JW wasn't around much.
Where was he?
I don't know.
Mrs. Waggersback, please. If you talk to me about JW, I could help you.
You've done enough.
You been drinking tonight, Mr. Waggisback?
Where's your better half at?
I'm gonna need you to step out of the truck.
We really gonna do this now? What? Do my alphabet backwards? Maybe stand on one leg, touch my nose? Is that what?
Okay.
Ah! This ain't legal.
Her body was found on your property.
God! If my wife was gonna leave me, why would I kill her lawyer?
You have a motive, no alibi, and a witness that puts you at the scene.
Who?
Me.
You know how this is gonna go down. Mama's gonna come down to the station, and you are gonna get torn a new one by the sheriff.
You want to talk about it?
No.
You sure?
What?
I'm going crazy here, B.
Can we talk about this later? You ready? We're not gonna be late. Sissy? This what you were doing instead?
When I was using, I used to know what every day was for. But now, you can't keep me here like this.
This is what y'all do all day?
When we gotta.
My text dollars at work, huh? I gotta pee.
All right. The woods are right there, girl.
I ain't going to no woods.
What? Why'd you drink the whole damn thing then?
I let my dad go.
Come on now.
Shit. I'd have been better off at home. Ain't got nobody else who can do this?
No.
They know you're here, though, right? People gonna think you're weird watching him like this.
So?
So you don't care what people think no more. Shit. If it was me, I'd probably get a little obsessed, too.
Thought it was real cute at the beginning, but y'all starting to piss me off.
This can be over whenever you want.
I didn't kill your friend. I wish I knew who did, because then you'd stay off my ass.
All you gotta do is tell me what happened that night.
Y'all have a good day.
Now I really gotta pee.
Here you go, Mama. I know, I'm sorry. Just give me a minute.
I'm not going anywhere. My daddy took me to Chicago once in 1955. It was so loud I couldn't even hear myself think. And then we went outside and a man on a bicycle almost drove me over. And people were rushing this way and that way and this way. And those buildings were so tall, you could barely see the sky. After that, I said, I am staying right here. I am not going anywhere.
You're not going anywhere.
What?
All right, let's go.
What do you think about hiring Sissy? Huh?
You sure that's a good idea? I mean, Mama's on serious meds.
I don't know. I think it could be good for both of them. Think about it.
Okay. All right, bye, Mama. I love you.
Bye, Miss Doris. Hey.
Hey. The sheriff said that he thought this would be better coming from me.
Is this for real?
JW says you've been harassing him.
He came at me. Did he tell you that?
All I know is that you gotta stay at least 1,000 feet away from him. Sorry.
How bad is she?
She clears up every now and then.
She what?
Not really.
Good.
You sure about this?
Come on.
Emergency contacts are on the counter, and there's a spare key in the shed. All her meds are labeled, and if she doesn't want to eat, then there's a shake in the fridge you can give her.
I think we're good.
Don't let her smoke too much.
I should have known a piece of paper wasn't gonna keep you away.
How'd you find me?
You think you're the first person to get hung up on a case? How long you gonna sit here?
As long as it takes.
It was bad enough you stuffed him in the back of a cruiser for no reason, but they find out you stalking him, and things can get real bad for you.
If they find out.
You know you're not the only person that cared about Leslie. I want to get this son of a bitch, too.
Trying to get in their pants ain't the same thing. Sorry.
No. I didn't mean to. She was your friend. I get it. But I don't think she'd want you ruining your life over this. You got your sister back. You got some money coming in.
What are you talking about?
I mean, people are starting to sell. Look, you got a chance to start over, and I think you ought to think about taking it. All right.
Take 2 more of these.
I haven't been here since Leslie and me had fake IDs.
Y'all 2 were together. I'm sorry.
Did she find out about you coming here?
No, no.
It's a hell of an alibi. Does your mama know?
We have an understanding.
But not with your wife.
Secret ain't much of a secret. You start telling folks.
So when you found out about her fixing to leave, it wasn't about the money?
I got money. It's about more than that.
Gay waggespacks are bad for business.
Mama's trying to do something important here. I'm a part of that.
But because of this murder, South Crest is pulling out of our deal. So I didn't do this.
Okay, then who did?
I don't know. When there's this much money involved, shit happens.
What the hell is Jimmy Falgo doing here?
He looks pissed.
Thank you.
I owe you an apology.
Yes. I heard you and JW spoke.
Why didn't you say nothing?
Do you think Jimmy Falco and the rest of them would sell their properties if they knew about him?
We could have kept that quiet.
I appreciate the sentiment, but the nature of our family doesn't allow for those kinds of proclivities to become public.
So you made him get married?
Nobody made him do anything. We decided it was for the best.
We're gonna need to know what you're offering everyone.
Y'all will understand if I'm not particularly inclined. Even if you hadn't been harassing my son, that information is privileged.
We're gonna find out one way or another.
So I can assume you're all here with the sheriff's blessing?
We're just hoping that you're willing to help us out.
Leslie was killed over that money. You owe her.
I seem to recall offering you that money, too.
Maybe so. But I didn't kill her.
This is a backwoods murder, Miss LeBlanc, not a conspiracy. If someone wanted to profit off of South Crest, killing Leslie was the wrong way to go about it. What company would want to be associated with the murder of their opposing counsel? I think I've given y'all enough of my time.
Come on. Thank you, ma'am.
Hey, Doc, those ligature marks, could they come from a rosary? Yeah, a rosary.
Bernadette.
This used to be your pop's place, right?
Barn's new, but he built the house with his own hands back in '43.
Mr. Jimmy, I need to ask you a personal question.
This about your friend Leslie?
How much did Mary offer you?
I'm not sure that's any of your business.
You seen any of that money?
Bernadette, I got a lot of work to do.
Hey, how much they offer you for your mama's place?
Same as a lot of folks.
Have you heard from them since?
No? Why?
Have you seen anybody move or any construction happening?
No.
As far as I can tell, no one's gonna get nothing until we catch whoever killed Leslie. I mean, I went to see Jimmy the other day, and I think Mary's offering him a hell of a lot more than you and me. And he's not the only one.
Right, but if Southcrest is putting their deal with Mary on hold, then what's it matter?
Our guy didn't know it was gonna happen.
So you think it was Jimmy, one of them?
I think it was someone she knew better than that. Someone she would let in the house late at night. I mean, I think it has to do with money, but I also think it's much more personal than that.
Where are you getting all this from?
Well, he went to her house, and he didn't bring a murder weapon. Yeah, maybe he'd even go there to kill her.
How do you know?
She was strangled with her rosary.
Right up front. You've been doing some work on the side. JW, Mary, Jimmy. You want to explain why you ignored the protective order?
JW looked good for her because of the divorce, but I was wrong. Now I know that Leslie's murder was caused by Southcrest, and Mary's trying to stonewall us because she knows that we're close to finding something.
Look, I know y'all were friends, but what could be so damn personal?
I'm close. I know it.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna need your badge and your weapon.
Double.
You got it.
This one's on me.
Doesn't John work the door on Thursday nights?
John, I had to let him go.
Let him go?
Yeah, drinking on the job. The man can't hold his liquor.
John Landry?
The only John I know.
Wait, I've been driving him here for weeks.
I don't know what to tell you. Some people just want to keep up appearances.
When was that?
About the time Leslie, but, well, you know.
And the night you fired him, he stayed so close?
Hell no. I tossed his ass as soon as he started mouthing off.
$750,000.
You all right, Mr. John? Think I'm gonna head out.
Can you just stay a little longer? you that I think you're the most beautiful woman.
John.
Just listen, like, you're this... Hey.
Maybe we can talk about this.
Listen.
John?
You should
No.
put on a pot. Just put on a pot of coffee.
No.
Put on a pot of coffee! Mama! Mama! Hey.
Hey, I'm here for Sissy.
Yeah, sure. She's, just watching TV with Mama.
Can I come in?
Sure.
Went by the bar earlier.
Yeah. I meant to tell you about that. It just didn't work out.
Hey, B.
How y'all doing?
Yeah, we good.
You can go, Sissy. I'm not going back out.
Y'all mind if I finish this? I gotta know who did it.
Take Mama upstairs. Now!
But I don't want to go.
Don't move!
Johnny, what are you doing?
It's fine. It's all right, Miss Doris.
Shut up!
You know what? Whatever's gonna go down here, they don't gotta be involved. It don't even gotta get violent.
Shut up!
No! You
son of a bitch! Don't. Give me your gun.
Johnny, what did you do? Oh, please.
Taking out my weapons. All right,
Slow. Slow.
What's the plan here, John?
Put it on the floor. Kick it.
Okay, you know what? Let's talk. All right? Let's talk about how you want this to go.
There's nothing to talk about.
Oh, yes, there is.
Please. Just breathe. Breathe.
I didn't go over there to hurt her.
I know.
I just got drunk.
I know. You got it hard. You got 2 jobs. You got Mama. But $750,000. Now, I'll make things a little easier, right?
You still think that she got killed over money? I loved her, Bernadette. But I saw you leaving her house that night. You've been lying to me this whole time. You let me humiliate myself. She was never gonna love me.
You didn't even know her. I loved her. They said she died because you couldn't take no for an answer? You're pathetic.
Shut up.
How you gonna explain all this? paws outside. Sissy's blood. Hey. Why don't you just give me the gun, huh? Just give me the gun.
Shut up.
Okay.
I can't.
Okay. All right. Is that morphine?
Yeah.
She don't want it. She gonna be all right. It went right through.
John?
Yeah.
You found out why?
It was for the money.
Bernadette. I'm sorry.
I thought this might be your last stop. Hope I'm not interrupting.
What are you doing here?
I came to thank you.
After what I put y'all through?
You did what you had to do for the person you loved. And in so doing, you made sure Pontmenu survives.
If you want to call it that.
I hear that house in the Bywaters still up for sale. This is a little something extra from me to help you get started. Because I still think she'd want better for you.
She would. But not like this.
I miss this place a little bit.